in Gremlin Graveyard in Massachusetts. This is I'm with the Jeep On crew as well as Jon Fund Offroad, who is sponsoring the event. This is really just kind of a private ride. It's like a joint venture between the two, well, we'll call it group and club. So we'll see what we get into. It should be a good day. There you go. Give it.
Yeah, baby!
Hard driver. Oh. You're lucky you're on 35s.
Right there's that bounce.
Yeah, wow, now he's gonna feel real bad. Come on, Rob.
Keep going. Nice.
So I just want to say, send a big thank you to JF Offroad, Mike and Ren for taking us out and showing us a great time. Definitely want to come back in the near future. Had a lot of fun, caused a little bit of damage. Couldn't get the rear hatch on the XJ open, but you know, it's part of the game. So just thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below. And like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you soon.